Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Bhumi Realty new launch project named as Bhumi Amog, located bang on SV Road, Andheri West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And this over here is the actual land parcel of the project. And now, talking about project overview, this project will be spread across the land parcel of 0.5 acres that will have one tower with two wings of 5 level of basement, ground plus 12 residential floors, having 2, 3 and 4 BHK residences. Also, you have Jodi options available. And now, speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located near to Vijay Sales, bang on SV Road, Andheri West, from where Fun Republic is at a distance of 15 minutes, Andheri Railway Station is at a distance of 5 minutes, Jain Mandir is at a distance of 1 minute, and you have Western Express Highway at a distance of 5 minutes from the project. Speaking of amenities, this project has infinity swimming pool, prayer room, garden, gym, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now let's have a look at the configurations and the carpet areas. As said, this project has 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 782 and 836 square feet, 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1243 and 1309 square feet and 4 BHK in the carpet area of 1972 square feet. Also, you have Jodi options available. And now, speaking of booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Bhumi Amog by Bhumi Realty, located bang on SV Road, Andheri West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.